Pero paano ako? Si Yuri, engaged na kami.
Sabi ko sa'yo, I'll fight for you.
Kiefer, paano naman si Ella?
Wala na. Wala na, Ella. Kasi, ikaw na. Pero Jay, I still have something I need to tell you. Something I really need to say sorry for. I'm sorry, kasi...
At tumigil ang mundo nung ako'y